Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings and switching on airplane mode to block cellular antennas. This prevents calls and roaming charges. Once done, turn Wi-Fi back on. Do not enable cellular again. Next, scan available networks and look for the airline's SSID or a captive portal. If required, have your card, voucher code, or loyalty account details ready so you can enter them quickly. This sequence keeps radios safe, complies with rules, and gets you to the login screen fast. Now select the aircraft network and wait for the captive portal to appear. If it doesn't, open your browser and load any page to force it. You'll see plans, free messaging, hourly or full flight access. Pick one, enter your voucher or card details, or log into the airline account. Confirm charges before accepting. Once authenticated, the portal issues a session token. Make sure you stay on the airline page until confirmation displays. This step gives you IP access while keeping voice. Finally, confirm the connection by loading a lightweight site or using a network ping utility. If pages hang, refresh the captive page or reopen the browser. If the portal never appears, toggle Wi-Fi off and on, then reconnect to force the login. Make sure cellular remains off. Do not enable calls. If speeds are slow, close background apps and use low bandwidth modes. Sometimes reconnecting after a seat-to-seat handoff restores throughput. Key tip: if authentication fails, clear browser data and retry the portal.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.